Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to redesign any website using Figma. In this tutorial, you will learn everything you need to get started with Figma and make creative changes to any website design. The first thing to do is to navigate to the Figma website. Open your preferred web browser, type in Figma's address, and wait for the page to load completely. This is where your journey in UI design begins. Once the Figma homepage is fully loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you will see an option to log in. Simply click on Login. This action will take you to the login interface where you have a few options for signing in. To streamline the process, locate and select the Continue with Google option. This integration is designed to simplify login using your existing Google account credentials. After you click Continue with Google, you'll see a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the account that you typically use or the one you prefer to associate with Figma. Once you have made your choice, Figma will log you in automatically and you'll be redirected to your main workspace. If you are new to Figma, you might be greeted by a welcome screen, but rest assured that you are now safely inside the Figma environment ready to start your project. While navigating through the interface, focus on the bottom of the toolkit area where you will find a feature labeled Actions. Clicking on Actions is your next step. This tool is an essential part of Figma's editing functionality, which lets you search and run various commands seamlessly. When you click on Actions, you will notice a search bar that opens up within the interface, ready for you to type in your command. In the search bar, type in the phrase HTML to design. This command specifically tells Figma that you are looking to transform HTML code into a design layout, an important step when you want to redesign a website using the structure provided by its HTML. As you type, Figma's intuitive search feature will help you refine your input until you see an option labeled HTML dot design. Once you see this option appear, click on it to proceed further. With the HTML to design tool now active, the next task is to type in the URL of the website that you wish to redesign. By entering the website's address exactly as it appears, you inform Figma which design elements need to be imported for customization. This is a crucial step because Figma uses this URL to fetch the website's layout and content. Once you have entered the website URL, you will be presented with an import button. Click on Import to allow Figma to retrieve and load the design elements from the given website. After clicking Import, you have successfully brought the website's design elements into your Figma project. Now you have complete creative freedom to redesign the website according to your vision and aesthetic preferences. Experiment with different layouts, tailor color schemes and typography, and introduce new elements to make the website uniquely yours. This guide has taken you through the process of accessing Figma, logging in with your Google account, navigating to the Actions tool, invoking the HTML to design command, and finally importing the website for redesigning. By following these instructions carefully, you are equipped with a clear method to start any redesign project using Figma. Enjoy exploring the various features and allow your creativity to shine through each design modification you make in Figma.